Nari Technology, a leading power electronics manufacturer who produces high-power IGBT module components with demanding requirements for power, current, voltage, and thermal reliability, faced designs and packages that were becoming increasingly complex and compact. With increasing high-power requirements for current and voltage, their development facilities lacked the high-level software and hardware required for in-house testing, which led to costly outsourced product testing, outsourcing that risks schedule, rising costs, and extended development timelines. To grow its business, Nari Technology identified three critical goals: reduce product development time by improving design efficiency, increase product reliability, and reduce trial and error costs. So they partnered with Siemens Simulation and Test Solutions team. We introduced and demonstrated how Simcenter's Micred quality tester software, part of the Siemens Accelerator digital business platform, could address all of their relevant needs and help their business grow. Simcenter Micred enabled Nari Technology to bring testing in-house, which resulted in cost reductions by nearly 50%, simulation-based testing that realized a time savings of 80%, improved heat dissipation capacity by 30%, and product life extended by 20%. By integrating the Simcenter Micred power cycling and thermal testing platforms, Nari Technology quantified both the aging and degradation of semiconductor devices during heat buildup. Ready to achieve your business goals like Nari Technologies? Read the full case study to see how Siemens can help get you there.